guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick video for you real fast about charging system, battery performance. I get a lot of questions on how do you know if your battery's going bad, how do you know if your alternator's charging. So I just want to address those two issues real quickly. So some quick tests you can do real fast, especially if you have the right tools. So this is a PDI multimeter on here. I'm not sure if you can see or not, but it's got min, max feature and peak. Those features are very helpful in the battery load test that I'm about to show you. So essentially you want your battery to be fully charged, 12.6 volts, which is where we're at right now. And this min max feature basically is just going to record the highest voltage that's shown and the lowest voltage that's shown. And what's important here is when you're cranking, your battery voltage shouldn't go below 9.6 volts. So I'm going to go ahead and try and start it, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, so looks like our max voltage was 14.66, which is fine. Our minimum voltage was 6.76 volts. So this battery does not have the load capacity that it needs to keep starting the vehicle. It runs fine and everything, but if you leave it sitting for over a day, it hardly will start at all. So this battery needs to be replaced. Now while we're already here, I'll go ahead and show you how to check to make sure your alternator is charging correctly. So you also want to leave your voltmeter connected. And essentially what you're looking for is 13.5 to 15 volts, but you want to make sure that the alternator is loaded. So I'll go inside, I'll turn on the radio, the defroster, the headlights, any seat heaters, anything you can to put a load on the system. And you're supposed to keep the RPMs at around 1,000 to 1,500 RPM while it's loaded, and if it remains at 13.5 to 15 volts, then your alternator is good too. So let's see if this alternator is good. I'll go ahead and zoom in, hopefully you can see that. I'll go ahead and put a load on the system. Alright, so as you can see, with the system fully loaded, it actually dropped below 13.5. But as your RPMs raise to about 1,500 RPM, it goes back up to good voltage. Alright, so those are just two quick tests that you can do to check your battery and check your alternator. I know not everyone will have a multimeter that has that feature, but they're not that expensive either. So hopefully this helps someone. Now you can do a quick, easy test on your own vehicle to see, what component is bad if you're having starting or charging issues. So like, subscribe, comment, give me any feedback on what you'd like to see or what I can do better. I sure appreciate the support of the channel. You have a good day.